How to use Google Docs AI Writing Assistant Gemini. Firstly, go to Google Docs and tap on Blank Document on the very top. Now you will see this kind of interface. However, there is no option of AI Assistant. To get the AI Assistant Gemini on all your Google Workspace, you need to log in or sign up in Google Workspace. To do that, open a new tab on your web browser. On the search bar, search for Workspace Lab Sign Up. Now click on the first link that's available. You will land to the Google Workspace Labs. Scroll down to the very bottom. Here you will see a section called Consumer Acknowledgement. Agree to all 3 terms. Now submit your terms. And just like that, you are in on the AI Assistant. If you go back to Google Docs, you will see a notification like this. Here you will see different options such as Generate Document or Help Me Write. I'm gonna click on Help Me Write. Now just to show you guys, I'm gonna create a document regarding global warming. You can also write a detailed prompt if you want. After writing global warming, click on Create. This won't take a lot of time. And just like that, my document has been generated. You can also refine or recreate the prompt. After you are happy with the content, click on Insert and it will get inserted into your document. So just like that, you can use AI Assistant on Google Docs. That's all for today. Thank you.